This is the continuation video, okay? So, what is the final expression? 100 minus 40 divided by 3, okay? According to the arithmetic rules, what we have to calculate first? Division. So, 100 minus 40 divided by 3. You will get some rational number, okay? Here, what we have to do? LCM. 300 minus 40 by 3. What will be the answer? 260 by 3. Okay. 300 minus 40, 260. 260 is not calculated by 3. Okay, 260 by 3. But what is the actual answer? 20, right? So you may get doubt here. Madam, you told us to calculate division first. But if we calculate division like this, we are getting the wrong answer. We are not getting 20. So to avoid these type of situations, the scientists came up with a new brackets. Okay, they are going to place brackets. Then after we can keep 3, division of 3. If there is a brackets, then you have to give the priority to the brackets first. If we have a situation like this, then we have to write expression like this: 100 minus 40 divided by 3. Now division is having the more priority than subtraction, but brackets are having the more priority than division. So that is the reason you have to do this calculation first. 100 minus 40, 60 divided by 3. It means the answer is 20. Now you got the correct answer or not? Yes. But not only the simple brackets, we have 4 different types of brackets. One second, I'll explain that. So these are the 4 different types of brackets we have. This is line bracket, simple bracket, curly bracket and square brackets. Okay, if the expression is having all the 4 different types of brackets, then this is the priority. Line is having the first priority, simple brackets are having the second priority, curly brackets are having the third priority, and at last square brackets are having the last priority. And I hope you understand how to apply the operations and how to use the brackets. Let us move to the exercise 3.4. First question. Write a mathematical problem for each of the following using brackets. What they said, we have to write the mathematical expression. Generally they used to give expression like this and we have to solve. But what they are saying, they give some statement. We have to form the expression by using the statement. First one. Exercise 3.4 A. 14 added to the difference of 10 and 3. 14 added to the difference of 10 and 3. First you have to write the off part, difference of 10 and 3. So difference of 10 and 3 is added to the 14. Okay, 14 added to the difference of 10 and 3. Next expression, second one, B. From the product of 23 and 2. Product of 23 and 2. From the product of 23 and 2. Subtract the sum of 11 and 15. Subtract the sum of 11 and 15. Sum of 11. From the product of 23 and 2. Subtract the sum of 11 and 15. Okay. Divide 56 by the sum of 4 and 3. Sum of 4 and 3. 56 divided by sum of 4 and 3. Last one. Multiply the sum of 5 and 6. multiply the sum of 5 and 6. Sum of 5 and 6 should be multiplied with difference of 15 and 4. 15 and 4. Difference of sum means you have to do addition. Difference means you have to do subtraction. Okay. Next one. Simplify the following. See, they just give the expression. We have to use the order. Division, division, multiplications, addition and subtraction. Right? 20 into 4 minus 10 plus 75 divided by 15. 20 into 4. 80 minus 10 plus 75 divided by 15. 15 5s are 75, no? So 5. Now 80 minus 10, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. Okay. First I did multiplication and division are having the same priority, right? So here I did multiplication and here I did division. At last all those results I add and subtracted. If you want, you can do in the reverse order also. 80, 10, sorry, minus 10 plus 5. Answer is minus 5 because 10 is having the negative symbol. So minus 5 you will get. 80 minus 5. Again 75. Okay. Next. Problem B. 10 plus 10 of 10 plus 10 divided by 10 minus 10 into 1. Okay. So, instead of addition, subtraction and multiplication and even brackets also we discussed, but here they gave something like off. Off is nothing but multiplication. Off is nothing but multiplication. So, rewrite the same problem. 10 plus 10, 10 into 10 plus 10 divided by 10 minus 10 into 1. Now, to avoid confusion, do the division first. 10 plus 10 into 10 plus 10 divided by 10. What will be the answer? 1 minus 10 into 1. Next, 10 plus 10 tens are 100 plus 1. 10 into 1, 10 minus 10. Now, 10 plus 100, 110. 110 plus 1, 111. 111 minus 10, 101. Right? See. 10 plus 100, 110. Minus 1 minus 9, 10 minus 1, 9. 110 minus 9, 101. Understand? So, off is nothing but multiplication. Okay. If you don't remember, you just remember one word. Bod mass. Here B stands for bracket. We have 4 difference of bracket. Even those different brackets also, again we know the difference. The second one is off. Here they mentioned, right? Off. Next, D for division. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. Bod mass. Remember that word, bod mass. So that you can calculate anything easily. So, in the second question A and B explained, you have to do C and D by your own. Third one, evaluate the following. Same. But the thing is, they gave brackets. Third question A. 10 minus 3 plus 10 divided by 5. So if brackets are there, we have to calculate the brackets part first. So inside the bracket, again, addition and division both are there. So what we have to do first? We have to do division plus. So division first. 10 divided by 5 means 2. 10 minus 3 plus 2, 5. 10 minus 5. The answer is 5. Next, second one. 36 divided by 24 divided by 4 into 3. Now, which part we have to do first? Simple brackets are having the more priority. So, first we have to do simple brackets. 36 divided by 24 divided by 4 3s are 12. Next, we have to do square brackets. 24 divided by 12 is, the answer is 2. Next, 36 divided by 2 is, the answer is 18. Right? So that is the answer. In the same way, do C, D and even the fourth question also. You can do it easily. Okay, by this the third unit is completed. In the next video, we will discuss about the fourth unit. Bye for now, children.